great to be sailing in San Francisco again. The Big Boat Series is one of the iconic events. Sailing under the Golden Gate Bridge in front of St. Francis Yacht Club. It's a pretty special thing. Certainly different sailing than I've been doing the last 18 months, but just as fun and just as rewarding, and I get to sleep in my bed every night, so that's pretty good too.
I got the team together and we did exceedingly well. And it's a great boat and it's a wonderful fleet, the Express 37 fleet. Classic boat, and I've admired it since 1986 when I saw my first one.